ridge. And we're gonna get to hiking. These are multi-use trails. I see a few bicyclists here, and there was 3 horse trailers we passed in the parking lot. So yeah, we will just take the trail as it comes. You can go woodland trail or timber road. I think we're gonna take timber road. Can really smell these trees. Trail winds back up the road. I wondered where it was. I didn't see. I think that there's around 10 miles of trails here, I read. I could be wrong. We're gonna do a loop that I think is around 2.5 miles. I saw no hikers on the trail, just some rangers working on planting some native plants and a few bicyclists. As you can hear from the noise, the crunch under my feet, this trail has all been like, I would call it asphalt gravel. So it is ideal for bicycles to get traction. All right, the woodland trail keeps going, but my YY has sore feet. She's wearing new shoes. So we're gonna cut short and take her back to the car. Just taking a short detour and let YY rest a little bit. But I might see some good views. And you do. It's a little overcast. Nice about walking on this road is you don't hear your feet like you did on that gravel. Just walking down the hill. Should be back to the car, I think, in probably 5 minutes or so. Almost back to the parking lot. I wanted to stop and end the video here in front of this gorgeous tree. It's just beautiful. And this is why we hike. Get out and enjoy nature wherever you are. And keep hiking.